anniversary. Prasha Bablu, happy wedding anniversary.
Prasada Shobhaji, happy wedding anniversary.
ഇലക്ഷൻ ഡ്യൂട്ടി 16-ാം തീയതി ഉണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ തന്നെ ഞാൻ കരുതി അയ്യോ അന്ന് ശോഭയുടെ വെഡ്ഡിങ് ആനിവേഴ്സറി ആണല്ലോ എന്ന്. പക്ഷേ 25th ആണെന്നുള്ള കാര്യം കിങ്ങിനി പറഞ്ഞപ്പോഴാണ് ഞാൻ അറിഞ്ഞത്. കിങ്ങിനി വിളിച്ചപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് വളരെയധികം അയ്യോ അന്ന് ഇലക്ഷൻ ഡ്യൂട്ടി ആണല്ലോ എന്നൊക്കെ ചിന്തിച്ച് ഭയങ്കര വിഷമമുണ്ടായി. ആ വിഷമത്തിലായിരുന്നു ഞാൻ. ഇന്ന് ഇലക്ഷൻ ഡ്യൂട്ടിക്ക് ചെന്നപ്പോൾ എന്ത് പറ്റി, അവിടെ റിസർവായിട്ടാണ് പോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് എനിക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ട് വരാനും വയ്യ, അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു സ്ഥിതിയിലാണ്. എന്തായാലും നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യുക. പ്രസാദേട്ടനും ശോഭയ്ക്കും എൻ്റെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും.
Hello Professor and Shobha, this is Shailaja Miss. I've taught Amrita at Rajashri School many years back. I'm especially here to wish you both a very happy silver wedding anniversary and hope many more such happy, joyous, peaceful and healthy ones are there to follow. Bless you and wish you all the best.
ദാമ്പത്യ ജീവിതത്തിൻ്റെ രജത ജൂബിലി ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന നിങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേർക്കും എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ മംഗളാശംസകൾ.
Hello uncle, hello auntie. I am so sorry that I couldn't make it today, but I wish you a very happy wedding anniversary. 25 years is like wow. I sincerely pray and wish that you guys will live together for another 100 more years. Love you guys so much. Happy wedding anniversary again.
Happy wedding anniversary, uncle and auntie. God bless you.
Hi Prasad uncle and Shobha auntie. Wishing you a very happy 25th. May God bless you with many more years of togetherness, because that's the most beautiful thing. I wish you all the best for all the years to come.
Hi Andy, hi uncle, congratulations, happy 25th wedding anniversary. All my prayers and all my wishes, hope your love come even more stronger coming years. See you.
Hi auntie, hi uncle. ഈ 25th വെഡിങ് ആനിവേഴ്സറിയിൽ എൻ്റെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും. ഹാവ് എ ഗ്രേറ്റ് വൺ. ഇനിയും കുറേ കാലം നിങ്ങൾ ഒന്നിച്ച് ജീവിക്കട്ടെ.
Hi uncle, auntie. Happy wedding anniversary. 25 years, it sounds really good. Wishing you both happiness together always, and God bless you both. Take care.
Hey Dad, Mom. It's been a long time since I saw you guys. I just want to wish you guys a happy anniversary and may God bless you and continue to keep you guys safe. Love you. Peace out.
Hello Prasadeta. Hi Shobji. Happy 25th wedding anniversary. Stay blessed, stay happy and healthy. I wish I could come and meet you guys in person, but I can't right now. So I'm sending you this message all the way from...
Hi auntie and uncle. Happy anniversary. I hope you have a great and blessed future ahead. God bless you. Take care and enjoy your day.
Hi, my name is Agu. I'm here to wish you a happy 25th wedding anniversary. Have a blast, have fun, and be safe.
ഞാൻ എപ്പോഴാ പറഞ്ഞില്ല ഇവിടെ കോഴി ഉണ്ടെന്ന്? ഈ കൊരങ്ങൻ എപ്പോഴും നുണയെ പറയൂ.
എടി മൂദേവി, ഞാൻ കൊരങ്ങനല്ലടി, ചിമ്പൻസിയാണ് ചിമ്പൻസി. അതിന് കലി വന്ന് എന്തൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുമെന്നറിയോ? കടിക്കും മാന്തം പിച്ച് ചെയ്ത് കീറും.
ഹാപ്പി വെഡിങ് ആനിവേഴ്സറി അങ്കിൾ ആൻഡ് ആൻറ്റി. ഈ 25 വർഷം പോലെ തന്നെ ഇനിയും ഒരുപാട് വർഷം സന്തോഷത്തോടുകൂടി ജീവിക്കാൻ ഞാൻ പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. May God bless you both.
Hi uncle and auntie. I'm sure you don't know me. I'm Prabhu, Amrita's friend from Chennai. So wishing you and that is uncle and auntie a very happy 25th anniversary. So you both have hit the silver jubilee, and I wish all three of you auntie and Amrita, have a very happy and prosperous life ahead.
Happy wedding anniversary, Prasad Uncle and Shobha Aunty. May God bless you. You guys make a great couple and you're blessed with such a nice daughter. Devam ഇനിയും നിങ്ങളെ 25th അല്ല 50th 100th wedding anniversary ഒക്കെ ഒരുമിച്ച് ആഘോഷിക്കാൻ bless ചെയ്യട്ടെ. So that's it. Love you guys.
Hi Uncle Auntie, happy anniversary and may you have many more to celebrate.
Happy 25th wedding anniversary Uncle and Auntie. Wish you more love and happiness in the years to come.
Hi, wishing you very happy anniversary and many more years of happiness together, Uncle and Auntie. You guys are so sweet and loving. Amrita is so lucky to have such parents. And yes, I have seen you guys. I enjoyed each and every moment spent with you people. Once again, happy 25th anniversary, Uncle and Auntie. And yeah, have lots of happiness together forever. And all the wishes are from all our friends. Bye-bye.
Hello Uncle and Auntie, good morning. This is Suraj, Amrita's very good friend. On my behalf, I wish you both a long life together. Wishing you a superb, fantastic 25th anniversary. Enjoy.
Hi Amrita, hello Uncle Auntie. Before giving my congratulatory message to you, let me introduce myself. I'm Shiva. I and Amrita got to be friends, or rather became friends in Chennai, and we've successfully managed to keep our long distance relationship going. Well, I'm just kidding. First things first, a very very happy anniversary to you. May you have many more years of anniversaries in the coming years, and may this companionship, togetherness and bond last forever. And hope to meet you soon in Cochin, and have a wonderful evening, Auntie and Uncle.
മൂക്കുകൊണ്ട് ഇച്ച ഇങ്ങ ചച്ച ജജ്ജ ഞഞ്ഞ തട്ട ഡജ്ജ ഞണ്ട തട്ട ഗജ്ജ വരയ്ക്കും.
25th വെഡിങ് ആനിവേഴ്സറി ആഘോഷിക്കാൻ പോകുന്ന അച്ഛനും അമ്മയ്ക്കും എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ വിവാഹ വാർഷികാശംസകൾ. ഇതുപോലെ ഒരുപാട് കാലം സന്തോഷത്തോടെയും സമാധാനത്തോടെയും ഒന്നിച്ച് ജീവിക്കാൻ ദൈവം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവിധ അനുഗ്രഹങ്ങളും നൽകട്ടെ. സർവേശ്വരൻ്റെ എല്ലാ അനുഗ്രഹങ്ങളും ഉണ്ടാവും. എൻ്റെ വക ഒരു അടിപൊളി വിവാഹ വാർഷികാശംസ.
Hi, wish you a happy 25th wedding anniversary, Shobha and Prasad. Take care.
Hi, this is Niveda from Chennai. I just wanted to wish you a very happy wedding anniversary. Amrita just told me yesterday that it was a silver jubilee, and I just wanted to wish you guys a really long, prosperous life together. So it's been 25 years of being there for each other, having each other's backs, loving each other, caring, maybe bossing each other around too. Yes, so it just goes on to show that 25 years of being together, that you are an amazing couple and lovely, wonderful parents. So I hope you guys have long, many prosperous years together. All my love and wishes. I've heard so much about you, and I really wish I could meet you in person one day. So here's from me, Niveda, wishing you all the love, prosperity. And I guess that's it. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Hello Prasad Uncle and Shobha Aunty. Wishing you both a very, very, very happy wedding anniversary. May you have many more beautiful years ahead, and God bless you.
Sunshine, here's wishing you both a very happy 25 years together. Congratulations.
Hi Uncle, hello Auntie. 25 years of togetherness. Oh my God, that's super cool. Wish you both a very happy wedding anniversary. I wish many more such amazing years for both of you together ahead. Lots of love. Enjoy your day. Stay healthy.
Happy anniversary, Uncle. Great years.
Happy marriage anniversary, Uncle Auntie. Have a great day ahead. Have a great year ahead. Wishing you both many more years of togetherness and have a fantastic day ahead.
Happy 25th anniversary. Here's wishing you another 100 years together.
Hi Uncle, happy wedding anniversary.
Hello Uncle and Auntie. Hope you both are doing good. I really miss you, college, Amrita and everyone, and I want to wish you happy anniversary. സ്നേഹം നിറഞ്ഞ 25ാം വിവാഹ വാർഷിക ആശംസകൾ നേരും uncle and auntie. Happy anniversary again. Bye.
Hi uncle, hi auntie, wish you a happy anniversary.
I think I should take a pause and congratulate that you have an adorable daughter, especially for the fact that I know her only for how many ever months, and having met her only for one time, that I bumped into her because she was my school friend. She was so sweet by requesting me to send you a video note, so that was the sweetest surprise. That was very sweet of her. And now coming to the main point, wishing a very happy 25th anniversary. And I'm sure the best gift is having that girl right next to you who's really adorable. And I really hope you get many more years of togetherness with lots of laughter, happiness and craziest of the memories ever. Happy married life and happy 25th anniversary.
Happy 25th wedding anniversary, uncle and auntie. Wishing you a lifetime full of happiness and many more happy returns of the day.
Happy wedding anniversary. Years will go on. Your love will last forever and ever and ever. Hope you have a nice day. See ya.
Singing for Pizza Babaloo. In